Okay, so here we have Tanisha with us, the winner of SSCI All India Finance Scholarship. And believe me, more than the money, okay, what is important is the accomplishment in terms of so many thousands of students and winning among them a semblance of caliber as well as luck. We have to admit that life in दोनों चीजों से चलती है, the skill as well as the luck. I think उसका combination था. Tanisha, many congratulations. You are sitting with your चाचा and चाची. उन दोनों को भी and आपके पेरेंट्स को बहुत बहुत congratulations.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, ये एक बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि मेरे को आपके साथ वन ऑन वन करने को मिला एंड मेरे को जीतने को मिला स्कॉलरशिप. एंड ऑफ कोर्स लक भी बहुत मैटर करता है जितना हमारे स्किल्स करते हैं.
Would like to know in and out your story. If you were to summarize your story in 5-10 minutes time, who are you? Where are you from? What do you do?
श्योर
You
सर.
know, so everything about you and how come you thought about the scholarship? What were your expectations? And what happened at 4 p.m. scholarship? The fact that it once again took place at 9 p.m. Even if you would not have won the scholarship, genuinely, if you would not have won, what would be your comment about it? Not that you have to definitely appease me by speaking in my favor, your fair opinion as to what could have been done in those circumstances. But let that be the minor focus. The major focus is you. Okay, who are you? What are you doing? Okay, tell us about yourself. What are your plans?
Okay, sir. So I come from Tinsukia, Assam. I have completed my schooling there itself, and I came to Bangalore for my higher education. I'm pursuing BCom from Christ University right now. So I'm an existing student from of SSCI. Like I've taken CFA level 1 coaching from you, and I've cleared it in the month of February. I gave my exam in February, and I cleared it. So I've also been doing an internship at EY, like as an assurance intern. So during my internship started in November, and it was a 6 month long internship. So I had to balance both my studies as well as my internship. So it was very tough at the start, but gradually I got used to it, and I completed my internship last week and also my exams. And also when I was in my hometown, I love baking. So also I grew up like learning baking, and I started my own bakery business, small scale bakery business, which I used to run when I was in class 8. I started my own bakery business with the help of my mom, and all my relatives supported me. So that is the highlight of my journey, mainly which motivated me. And coming to the scholarship part, where we faced I've been doing CFA. Last year also I applied for the scholarship. I didn't get it though. And this year I came to know about it. So I also applied this year hoping I would get it. And even if I wouldn't have got it, I would have still chosen to pursue level 2. I've already paid my examination fees, and have taken course from you as well. And I've started my coaching as well. So around 4 p.m. when I actually set for giving the exam, there was a glitch because there are a number of people who were trying to give the exam, and I wasn't able to log in at the same time. Like it took me around 15 to 20 minutes to actually log in into the system and give my exam. So I completed it within 24 minutes. It took me 20 to 24 minutes because the wasn't working. There was system glitch. So I thought it's done. Like I can't help it now. So I am not getting the scholarship. So when again I checked the messages in the group and came to know that at 9 p.m. it's happening again. I was out during that time, and I reached my home at like 8:55 p.m. and I started giving the test. So what happened was I gave my test, and I like switched off my phone, and I came to have dinner. Randomly, my phone started buzzing, and I was like there were calls from random numbers. People were calling me,
I'm
messaging
really
me.
sorry, really sorry about it. In the stress of the moment, we really forgot, okay, to not hide the numbers. Really sorry, such me.
Yeah.
Okay, please.
Yeah, so I got that because people started spamming me. So I thought it was a prank. But then I realized, like, how will my number get leaked if I didn't win it? So like, someone sent me a screenshot of that spreadsheet. So
Hmm.
I went to the live video, and I, rewinded it, and I saw that I won that scholarship actually. And that's why people are congratulating me.
Hmm.
And then I called Soumya sir as well to ask him to like remove our numbers as well.
Yeah.
So then, yeah, finally I came to know that I like got the scholarship. It was like a moment which I cannot explain. Like getting such a huge amount of scholarship, it was life changing. Like it was very wholesome moment for me and my family as well.
Correct. So it seems that 2026 is going like a very good year for you, correct?
Yes, so you can surely say that.
So जो लोग हाथ की लकीरों में इन सब चीजों में बहुत विश्वास करते हैं ना, उनका बोलने का होता है कि मौके पे चौका मार लेना चाहिए. सो 2026 में और भी कुछ important endeavors है wherein there are a lot of luck factors involved and all that. I think you better do the same because it may just happen this year. Okay.
हाँ सर, श्योरली सर.
Yeah. And what was happening when I was changing the questions in between data?
Sir, actually, the questions were almost the same which we gave around 4 p.m. Like, I
Hmm.
remember a few questions. I remember the answers. Like, इसका आंसर तो यही है. And
Hmm.
then वो उतना टफ भी नहीं था cause मतलब हमें फॉर्मूला वगैरह सेम था, तो वो just orally or like we didn't need a calculator also उसके लिए.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I would not say that it was very difficult. It was just that कि you have to be quick enough and वो fact चीज पकड़ना कि क्या actually question में change हो रहा है उस time.
Hmm.
तो वो बहुत जरूरी था, बट इट वॉज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. लाइक यू मेड इट रियली इंटरेस्टिंग, आई वुड से.
वैसे टेल मी समथिंग दैट अगर कोई उस स्कॉलरशिप में 9 PM वाले में गेम करना चाहता, इफ somebody wanted to game or cheat, how much was that possible in the 9 PM examination?
सो आई वुड से दैट वाज पॉसिबल.
Hmm. How how
बिकॉज
would how would you go
सर
about it?
सर आई थिंक क्योंकि टाइम वॉज इनफ फॉर समवन टू एक्चुअली डू इट. लाइक आई वॉज मेंटली डूइंग इट, तो भी वो फास्ट इनफ हो रहा था.
Hmm.
सो इट्स आई फील कि वो हो सकता था. इफ यू वांटेड इट्स, इफ समवन वांटेड, तो एक्चुअली वो पॉसिबल था.
समझ गए. In the context of the tech infrastructure that you think about, what do you think should be the normal way in which scholarship should take place? What do you think the ideal way?
सॉरी सर, आई डिडंट गेट यू.
I said, what is the ideal way in which scholarship should take place according to you?
um So I would say, like, I read comments also about this, like how
Mhm.
it went.
Mhm.
People were saying that it's unfair, but I feel कि कुछ कुछ चीजों में it was fair also, क्योंकि इतने सारे लोगों का full, like they might have scored 20 on 20,
Yeah, yeah.
and there was no way कि you would have selected three people. And also where you mentioned that अगर हम लोग submit पे click करते हैं and किसी का lag होता है इंटरनेट, तो वो उसकी गलती नहीं है. तो आई वुड से कि वो जो लॉटरी सिस्टम था, क्योंकि अगर आप एक्चुअल स्कॉलरशिप देखो सीएफए इंस्टीट्यूट की, तो
Mhm.
इट्स ऑल्सो बेस्ड ऑन कंप्लीट लॉटरी सिस्टम. क्योंकि
Mhm.
ऐसे डजेंट मैटर, क्योंकि कितने वैसे जैसे कितने लोग जो फाइनेंशियल है हेल्थ उनके उनकी कंडीशन अच्छी है, उनको स्कॉलरशिप मिल जाती है, जिनके एक्चुअली नहीं है उनको नहीं मिलती.
नहीं मिलती है, हाँ.
हाँ, तो वो भी लॉटरी सिस्टम है. तो अगर वो इस चीज में अगर ब्लेम करते हैं एसएससीआई को, तो आई थिंक इट्स रॉन्ग ऑन देयर पार्ट, क्योंकि वो सीएफए इंस्टीट्यूट को ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते इन जनरल. तो इधर ब्लेम करना भी आई फील, क्योंकि जस्ट बिकॉज दे नो पीपल इन एसएससीआई, तो
हम्म.
उनका वो हो रहा है कि हाँ उन लोग ब्लेम डाल रहे हैं. बट सीएफए इंस्टीट्यूट में भी यही सेम चीजें होती हैं.
उसके अलावा मेरे को लगता है और एक चीज मेरे माइंड में आई कि जैसे कभी कभी ऐसा नहीं होता सीबीएसई एग्जामिनेशन में या अदर एग्जामिनेशन में जहाँ पे पेपर कुछ लीक हो जाता है तो एग्जामिनेशन वापस से होता है ना?
हाँ सर.
होता ही है मतलब. इफ इफ
हाँ,
इफ इट
कंप्लीटली
सीन दैट
नॉर्मल है सर.
2 मिनट में कोई 30 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट कर लिया तो ऑब्वियसली इट्स अनफेयर. फिर कोई बोलेगा वो
हाँ,
2 मिनट वाले को रिजेक्ट कर दो. तो मैं कहाँ पे बाउंड्री लाइन कहाँ टानूं? वेयर शुड
ऑफ
आई
कोर्स सर.
पुल द लाइन? सो व्हेन आई
हाँ,
सी.
मैंने देखा सर वो वाली रील जो आपने पोस्ट करी, एंड आई वाज शॉक कि मेरे को लगा कि 20-25 मिनट, मतलब 20 मिनट्स तो मेरे को पक्का श्योरली लगा था वो सॉल्व करने में. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि 2 मिनट्स 30 सेकेंड्स में इम्पॉसिबल है वो करना. कि क्वेश्चन रीड करने में, एक क्वेश्चन रीड करने में लगता है 15-20 सेकेंड्स, एंड उसका एनालाइज करना एंड सॉल्व करना, तो इट टेक्स टाइम. तो वो तो कम्प्लीटली एक शॉकिंग था कि ऐसे दो लोग कौन है जो इतने जल्दी उन्होंने कर लिया वो.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट. Anyways, now what are the plan for further studies and career?
So, sir, I thought like I'll first complete my CFA level 2 and 3, and then I've thought of doing my MBA also. Like, it's
Hmm.
not a very structured plan, but after completing my CFA, I would think about doing masters also.
Hmm.
So that is the plan. Like, I'm in my third year. I'll start my third year in June.
Hmm.
So with that, I've registered for November 2026 for level 2.
Okay.
And if I get, like, I'm hoping that if I pass in that as well, and then level 3, and then I'll think of masters.
And do you do live classes for level 2?
Sorry, sir. No,
Do
sir,
you
I
do?
haven't attended live classes
Understood. Perfect.
because
बहुत
my
अच्छा.
internship was going on last month, so I didn't have the time to manage like the timings.
So you happen to go to Tinsukia in
Sir,
your
I'm going this Sunday.
this Sunday. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So आपके your mom, dad, your parents, you have cousins? Uh,
Yes, sir. Siblings, I
siblings?
have two siblings,
Yeah.
so
Okay. Perfect. So many congratulations to the entire family. Okay.
thank you so
Thank you
much,
so
sir.
much,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
I believe your chachu and chachi are very lucky for you.
They surely
We are
are, sir.
very
They have
happy, sir.
supported me in the entire journey, like from baking to supporting me in studies. They have supported me throughout.
Coming to baking, in case it so happens that I am able to meet you sometimes at a place where you are homely. I would definitely love to try something,
Sure,
cook
sir.
very.
I'll make sure if I visit Calcutta, I'll surely visit you, sir.
ठीक है. Chalo, thank you. Congratulations. Okay, God bless you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you
Thank
so
you,
much,
sir.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you, sir.
you.
Bye.
Okay, bye bye.